Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen, my better half. So we were discussing over the weekend, about network marketing and meetings, and when you meet people for the first time, how when they say, "So, what do you do?" So a lot of people get tongue tied, as we used to.
Oh, no, I still do.
So
So I created an app for that, or actually a bot in chatgpt, which is basically everything that we talk about here at Coffee Sometimes Tea. So one of the things is you go to a networking event and they go, "So what do you do? What do you do?" And there's a lot of people will go, well, I design websites and I have graphics and I do this and I monitor that and I SEO this and I SEO that. So what would you think that person does?
diarrhea of the mouth.
Uh, or I fix pipes, plumbing and leaks, and that's not real catchy, not real memorable. So what we're going to do here, we're going to use Pitch Perfect. And we're going to create an elevator pitch for a couple of businesses, including the webmaster, designer, the plumber, and what else do we got that's out there? Business coach. Let's see.
Loan officers. You got mortgage.
Yeah, we have a handful here. So
people.
let's start with the plumber. So let's say we're going to ask Pitch Perfect for a plumber. Help me summarize my business in 15 seconds. Let's see what it says.
Yeah. So preference to a plumber, basically.
I will. So I'm not quite sure what to say. So I generated this, so it'll ask you questions when you just push a button, as I did. And so we're saying, oh, okay, well, what kind of business is it? Well, I'm gonna say plumbing. I'm a plumber. But I want to be a catchy plumber. So just let's say plumber. All right. So it's going through and it's giving me an idea. Experience hassle-free plumbing solutions with our expert team, ensuring quick, reliable fixes and preventive maintenance for your peace of mind. I think that's a little too long. So I want C, more catchy. Let's see what it does. All right. Here's another one.
That's a good one.
And I actually had it designed it so you get 3 options when you select more catchy. Say goodbye to leaks and drips with our top-notch plumbing services. Quick, dependable, and always there when you need us. Now that sounds...
That's a good one, actually.
To go number 2.
Yep.
Flush away your plumbing worries. Our skilled plumbers deliver swift, effective solutions with a smile.
Or drip no more. Our expert plumbing team brings fast fixes at flawless installations to keep your home flow perfect.
So there you go. And so we go, okay, that's great. And we're going to say, do you need any other adjustments, any suitable for your needs? And we can say, do you want to say no more, or do we want to go into another one? Want to try another one?
Sure. Well, you can also do, just so you guys know, let me back up a little bit. We're actually using ChatGPT 4. It is $20 a month, which, don't go buy that Starbucks. Invest in ChatGPT 4.
It's gonna make things a
lot easier.
Yeah, a lot easier.
Now, I'm gonna go 3.5 is fine, but it doesn't go in depth like 4.0 does. 4.0, you can do pictures and logos and all that stuff. So if this guy wanted a logo, let's say this dude wanted a logo, let's go ahead and ask it to create a logo.
Just preferencing, I didn't set this up for creating logos. There are some really good ones on ChatGPT on 4. But let's see what happens when we ask it to please create a logo.
It does do it.
It may. We'll see. I didn't quite set it up for that, but that's okay. We've been tinkering around with this. So hopefully you enjoy this and like this, and then we'll show you how things turned out. Hey, that
cool,
turned
actually.
out pretty good. Flow Perfect Plumbing, and even gave you a name if you don't have one.
Look at that.
All right, and then
Oh wow, look at that. What's that?
Well, basically, if you like the link, if you like our design, you can share that link. And if you think we did a great job, you can always support us as well. But in the meantime, let's try something new. So what was the other one we had? We wanted web design, but you said you wanted to do somebody else.
No, try a real estate agent.
Okay. Please. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can either add on to it, and we can see how it functions.
We'll add on to this one
and see. But what I would recommend is start a fresh one altogether. Please create a pitch for a realtor. It has to be capitalized, people. Anybody who knows a realtor knows it has to be capitalized. Those are the rules. All right, for a realtor, in commercial property or residential?
Doesn't matter. Residential. That's what usually.
It does matter. It does matter, people. It does matter.
Just do residential.
All right, here we go. All right. Connecting families to the dream home with personalized, dedicated services that make every step of the home buying journey seamless and stress-free. Pretty generic, but let's see if it can do something better. Let's go ahead
more catchy.
And make it more catchy. Find the key to your dream home with us, where exceptional service meets your perfect space. Not too bad. Beyond just houses, we're about creating homes. Experienced, tailored approach to finding your ideal living space with us. That's not too bad.
It's not horrible.
But I'm going to say, always say thank you to the robots. You never know. Thank you. Please make more catchy. And I'm not quite sure if it's going to go 1 or 3. So let's see. Okay,
3.
It's going to stay on the 3. So very good. It's following the instructions I gave it. All right.
And by means of when she says instructions, this is all in the back end.
So if you want to learn more about how to create your own personalized, actually they call them agents. If you want to have your own personalized agent with ChatGPT 4, you join us in our community. It's free. Our classes are always free. Like-minded people, where we come together and we find solutions, and we will be teaching here in the near future more about how to integrate the AIs with business development and work-life balance. So one of the things that came up here that I thought was that I liked, unlock the door to happiness with our expert home finding magic, turning your dream home wishes into a reality. That's cool. More up my speed. But if you're a realtor out there and you like it, you know, comment down below. Let us know. Hey, do some more, or do something different. So we'll do one more.
Actually, no, do one for fitness.
All right. First, we're going to say no. So it's going to give us our thank you. Mm-hmm. And then we're going to go, while it's doing that, please create a pitch. So we know that when we switch, and this is one thing that you want to know, is when you do switch into a new question or into a new question for a new result, it's not getting muddied in those responses, because sometimes ChatGPT, what it'll do is when you start asking questions over and over and over again, it starts to
combine.
I have found it combines things, but so far so good. And if you do start seeing that as your result, then I would say just start fresh, meaning that you would go in and do a whole new creation, a pitch for a fitness. Fitness coach.
Sure.
Okay, fitness coach. There we go. Let's see what it's saying here. Elevate your fitness journey with personalized coaching that motivates, educates, and empowers you towards your healthiest self. Not too shabby, but I always like to see what those
what does D do?
Well, it does basically a little bit more of what C does.
Okay.
Hit D. see if it makes any difference. Get fit, feel great. Our dynamic coaching turns your fitness dreams into achievable, enjoyable realities. Not quite sure on that. Make more catchy. Ignite your fitness fire with us. Experience personalized coaching that fuels your body, mind, and soul towards extraordinary results. Not too shabby.
Last one's not bad either.
Let's see if it can make more catchy and shorter. Let's see if I throw it for a loop. All right. Unleash your fitness potential. Energize personal.
Here you go.
Okay.
I made a lot smaller.
Sweat, smiles, succeed. Fitness coaching that sparks real change. Elevate your exercise where every move is a milestone.
That's cool.
Not too bad. So sometimes, as you see, you wanna always follow up and answer with a question. You can always tweak it. You want it longer, you want it shorter. You want it to be, take that and then work with it. So that's the nice thing about this. You get it, and it's free. I can tell you, I know people that have paid thousands of dollars to go be with coaches and have them sit there and do their whole pitch. And the next thing you know, you did all of that to get to one sentence, and you did that here with us for free. Right. If you want some more of this, join us online, join our community, and we'll teach you more about how we do all of this. And don't forget to like and follow us as well. Here's cheers to you, and we hope to see you again soon.
Thanks, guys.